Hello everybody, this is Shahid Qassas, physics teacher, Sharjah American International School, and today I'm presenting my final project with TechPlanet. The final task is to reach with this robot. This is basically my robot, and this robot has wheels and it has an arm that is moving on a servo motor. There is a color sensor here, and there is a touch sensor here. So this is a basic description of my robot. Basically, the mission is to reach with this green box from here, starting point, and to put it there. At the same moment, I need this robot to detect this red color and to hit it, and then goes with this ball to the original ball, the